everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can pay with your JazzCash or Easypaisa debit or credit card on AliExpress. For that, just open your app on your mobile phone and select any product that you want to purchase. Let's say I want to buy this product. So when you click here, you can select any variant of this product or any space. After this, click on just buy now. Here just click on continue. Here you can see scroll down and here you can see there are the payment methods. Just click on this, add a new payment methods and just simply click on place order. When you click on this, here you can see at the at the top there are multiple options: Visa card, Mastercard, Union Pay. As your JazzCash or EasyPaisa account or a Mastercard or debit card, you can use them. So just enter your card number, card holder name, the name on your card, your expiry date, and your CVV code. After entering all details, you will just click on this pay now and payment will be cut from your JazzCash or EasyPaisa app or a card and your order will be placed. So this is the way how you can pay with your JazzCash on AliExpress.